It's a Motivation Monday and time to get motivated to take care of your mental well-being. And when it comes to mental health, minorities are many times overlooked when it comes to services. Sonya Quinn of Nami Greater Toledo is hoping to bridge that gap and change that culture with an event that's happening on Friday. Good morning. Thanks for joining us today.
Good morning, Amanda. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So first of all, tell me exactly what this event is on Friday, where and when it's happening, and what people will experience when they come out.
Absolutely. This is an event that Nami Greater Toledo has every year. This is our 9th annual event, and it's hosted by our African American Leadership Initiative here at Nami, which I am the chairperson of. And we put this event on every year in just different minority communities to help educate and bridge that gap between mental health and the minority communities. This year is really special because we're going to be talking to our mothers. And the title of this year's forum is Mothers and Mental Health in a Minority Community. And we have an amazing panel that's going to share their experience and their expertise. We have a phenomenal speaker that's going to come out who is a new mother, and she is going to be speaking on her experience with mental health in the community and things of that nature. So we're really excited for it. We're really looking forward to it. We're really encouraging the community to come out and join this event. It's really beneficial, especially to our African Americans, to understand the importance of taking care of our mental health.
Yeah, let's talk a little bit about that, because I think even during the pandemic, we know that many more people reached out saying, you know what, I need some help. But when we're speaking specifically about minority communities, talk a little bit about why maybe they're not getting in touch with those resources that they need.
That's a great question, Amanda. And the one positive thing that has come out of the pandemic is that we're getting more African Americans and minorities to reach out regarding their mental health. And that is so important, and it makes us feel really good because we know that they're looking for that help and those resources. And here at NAMI, that's exactly what we do. We go out and we help you find the resources that you need for your mental health. We make sure that if there's any barriers, that we can try to help you eliminate them and make sure that we get you in touch with the people that can help serve you as far as your mental health.
So we want to keep that momentum going as far as, you know, maybe breaking away at that stigma. I think that has played a role in maybe folks not reaching out to get services. And as you mentioned, during the pandemic, more people were willing to say, you know what, I need some help, and that's okay. And I love that this year this event on Friday is geared toward moms, because whoa, do moms really deal with a lot, don't they?
Yeah, they really do. And a lot of times, especially with the postpartum depression, which we will touch on, and I'm really excited about that, just to encourage mothers. There's so much that we take on as women. And for those who are moms, you know, they're the mom, they're the teacher, they're the caregiver, the provider. It's so much that mothers have to take on. Sometimes they forget to take care of themselves. So our goal with this conference coming up on Friday, July 22nd, is to help them understand and educate them a little more on the importance of mental health and taking those self-care days, and making sure that they truly take care of themselves first, so they can provide for their loved ones.
Yeah, you can't help others if you're not in a good spot. So it's so important to make that a priority. So Sonya, for people who want to come on Friday, do they need to register ahead of time, and when and where is it happening?
Yes, we're asking them to register ahead of time because we're providing lunch, and we want to make sure that we have enough to go around. If they don't register and they come, we will allow them to come in. We'll just have to make sure that they get a lunch as well, but we're really encouraging people to please register. The event is at the main library downtown, so that's a barrier that we took away from the minority communities on the bus line. You can catch a bus, you can catch your Uber, your Lyft, what have you. It's at 325 North Michigan Street. Parking is free. It'll be in the garage. And like I said, we're providing lunch. We'll have a lot of resources, and the best thing about the resources will be related to the topics. So when you leave, not only will you have the educational piece, but you'll have pamphlets and resources to take with you.
It's such an important event and a great topic as well. Sonya, thank you so much for joining us this morning. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yep, take care.